I am Pierangela Marinucci from Caracas, Venezuela. I am a lawyer. I had a company, event social company. I was in the Miss Venezuela. I am a coach, transformational. I am a speaker, author of the book Unstoppable in Spanish now. I am a holistic therapeutic. I am a director of the foundation Ve por ti mismo. When I was 17 years old, one day I wake up in the morning and I start to see blurry. I went to the doctors, many tests and tests and tests. And someday one doctor said me that I have to stop my university. I start to learn read Braille because I could be blind in a few times. I feel very sad. I find Dr. Yu in YouTube. My cousin, she has RP, and she find a Dr. Yu in YouTube, and she someday called me and say, Piera, I saw a testimonial with many people. They have RP and they can improve their vision with this treatment. And I said, we have to go tomorrow. And we came here to WellSpring Clinic. And I be there in the WellSpring Clinic 8 years ago. But with the COVID, I had 3 years that I didn't came here, and my vision with COVID and vaccine go down. I started to see very fog and white. My vision was very white, and the colors, I see the colors very white too. And I came to WellSpring Clinic again in September in 2022, and the fog start to be less, and the color, I start to see the colors good, shine again. But now this time the fog disappeared. And in the mall yesterday I went, and in this mall I saw very fog, the lights very shine, and this shine disappeared. I could see everything normal, and the white outside with the very sunshine was very white, and now the white less. I can see the colors in the street with the sun. And this sweater for me, I see the real color of this sweater today, because for me this sweater was beige and brown, and now I don't know say this color in English, for in Spanish is gris. It's amazing. It's my first time that I see the real colors. Now I think I can see the colors very good. I am very happy this time for this treatment. I recommend this treatment, Dr. Yu treatment at WellSpring Clinic, because it's the only opportunity for the RP people. Come in and start to real vision in your life.